A few years ago, my friend Raj wanted to learn English. He joined classes, watched videos, and bought books. But after 6 months, he still could not speak even one full sentence confidently. He was frustrated. One day, he came to me and said, "Maybe English is not for me." But I told him, "Raj, the problem is not you. The problem is how you are learning." I shared some simple steps with him. Steps that anyone can follow. And guess what? In just 3 months, Raj started speaking English clearly and confidently. Today, he even gives small speeches in English at his office. And in this video, I'm going to share those same steps with you. So, if you are a beginner and you want to learn English fast, stay with me till the end. I know many of you feel like English is too hard. You understand a few words, but when you try to speak, your mind goes blank. Don't worry, that will change after this video. Let's start step by step. Step 1. Stop trying to be perfect. Many learners want to speak perfect English from day one. They want to use big words, perfect grammar, and long sentences. But that's not how we learn anything new. Think about driving a car. When you first learn to drive, you don't focus on driving perfectly. You just try not to hit anything. At first, you move slowly, make small mistakes, and sometimes stop suddenly. But with practice,